This is the 8-hour side dish.
Yeah, so no, this is actually a simple recipe. Here is the Cheats ice cream. Don't tell anyone, family secret. People make ice cream with like anglaise and eggs and stuff. They work too hard. One of these. One of these. Congratulations, you've made ice cream. You take this, you chuck it in here, whisk it until it's stiff peaks. Open the can, gradually put it in, folding to try and keep as many air bubbles as you can. And at that point, you have your base for fake ice cream. The only problem with fake ice cream is that when you put it in the freezer, it goes hard. So either you've got to take it out early and let it defrost and come to a little bit, closer to room temperature, or add alcohol. A third of a cup of alcohol will actually stop it from going rock hard, apart from being very, very tasty. Then, basically, that's one, that's two. The idea is what we're going to do is we're going to do that dude, then that dude, split them up into two different mixing containers. We'll add a flavour to a half, a flavour to a half, flavour to a half, flavour to a half. So we're going to get 4 flavours here today. We're going to do 2 for the kids and 2 for the grown-ups. One flavour is going to be Toblerone. Cutting Toblerone, you need a sharp knife and you've really got to watch your fingers because this stuff is like concrete. But you do have to have it in small shards so that people can eat it in an ice cream. Apart from that, we've got 2 flavours going on. Normally I'd go Bailey's, it's really popular, but we don't have Bailey's. So we're either going to go with coffee. So we'll either go with coffee or orange liqueur for one flavour. Haven't decided yet. And for the other one, there is a cocktail called a grasshopper. It's made up of creme de menthe, creme de cacao, and cream. They're the 3 things that you get in the cocktail. Well, we've got the cream. So we add these little puppies, and then you get a cocktail, and it's delicious. Flavour number 3, I'm thinking either we add a little bit of vanilla extract, so we can have vanilla ice cream, and like I said, number 4 will be Toblerone. Okay, that's our introduction, and that's all of our family secrets in making fake ice cream.